left, it can go right, but it don't open.
Let me see. Oh, okay.
So the battery is really dead. The only option I thought I had was to take sweet. Well, thank you.
Oh, my pleasure. So, okay. Yeah, okay, you can jump in here.
Yeah. And how can I think it's on the left. No, right here. I can put this up.
Okay, no problem. Are you gonna pay with car, Cash App, Venmo, Zelle?
Venmo, Zelle, whatever.
Venmo, okay, no problem. Yes.
And how much was it? 79?
100 flat.
Yeah.
They told you between 80 to 100. Yeah, for the location, 100 is a good price. Yeah, yeah. Do you need help with the battery?
No.
I have the jumper with me.
If you have it, then yeah.
Yeah, sure, sure. Let me know when you pay, then. Nice. No.
I think it's right here, and then I think the ground.
Negative. Ground is here.
Yeah.
I can use this like a round. Do you know what is the positive?
I think
The
so.
red one? Oh, yeah. There it is.
Check my finger.
Fire it up, Maddie.
Uh-huh.
Think I'll be ready already?
Yeah.
Yeah.
In case the battery blows.
Diesel, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good day.